Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Photoshop and provide full guide. So if you are crop any specific area, select, like I'm select this area and press on Ctrl plus T. Then showing it to this option, easily crop this area. Okay, right mark, Ctrl plus D to deselect or select to crop tool. Okay, really crop any part. Press on right mark. Okay, if you want to get back, okay, and another to this crop tool, select the part, press on right mark. So that's how we can easily crop this.